Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be trying Joah Cosmetics or Joah Beauty. They're available at CVS and on their website exclusively. If you would like to keep watching and see how I got this look, trying out some of their most popular products, just keep watching. Look how gross my skin is. I'm disgusting. This particular foundation is one that Paige Corin really loves, if that's how you say her last name correctly. I can't get it open. So this is the Joah Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation Drop Foundation in the shade JLF 110 Porcelain. This was the lightest one they had at my store. I'm going to shake it up. That's some nice noise. I want to make sure all my boogers are gone. Feels heavy. I'm like scared. Oh my god, I feel like one of those Instagram bitches. Oh, this might be way too much. This is probably way too much. Let me start blending. Okay. I think it's been so long since I've tried a drugstore foundation. You guys want to leave some recommendations of some good ones? Now I'm really surprised with this color match. It looks decent. I know it might look like I'm making myself paler, but it's really just because I am so blue and greeny, because you can see my skin because it's kind of just transparent and blotchy. But if we do a half and half, I am impressed. I like it so far. Oh, it has such a nice soft powdery finish. Like, it doesn't feel like there's anything on my face. Ooh. Instagram bitch droplets. Oh, it's just doing one big foundation tier. I'm showing up at your house to be a ghost and haunt you. What am I even saying? These baked lays makes me feel like a skinny bitch because they're baked. They're 65% less fat. I mean, I could just not eat potato chips, but I think this might just be amazing. Now this says it's Korean, it's K-beauty inspired. I don't know what that means. It says it's made in Korea though. So maybe that's why it's magic. I think the Korean peninsula harbors magic for the skin and the beauty. Let's talk about stuff for the eyes. I have this birthday suit palette, which is unveiled. Like, no crap. When you're naked, I would pretty much say you're unveiled too. It says, get that ultimate bronze look with their unveiled eyeshadow palette to uncover that inner goddess glow from day to night. Now, can someone explain to me what the hell that actually means? Because that just sounds like a lot of bullshit. I'm cursing a lot in this video. I'm sorry. Are these all shimmers? God damn it. Okay. Birthday suit. Eyeshadow palette. That's... okay. Fell off my table. It's fine. Let me swatch. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna like these. They are powdery little fellers. But as we learned with ColourPop, swatches don't say everything. Good vibes. Maybe I just need to like... They are so crumbly. Pleased. This one isn't as crumbly. The more metallic they are. they're not as crumbly pleased. Cappuccino. And that's like what I think they think is a matte, but it's not a matte. And then we have a bead, which, oh, I cut it on my bead. And, oh, that's nice. Evil. What are these names? Cappuccino, upbeat, evil, whipped cream? Like, is this some kind of, like, good versus evil, like, Whippets party? Because if so, invite me. And our eyeshadow palette. And let's dunk into this cappuccino fake matte shade. Fake news, fake matte. I didn't set my face. I'm dumb. Okay. But honestly, like, do we need to set it? Like, look how beautiful I look. I'm in such a mood. I just brushed my eye. I brushed my eye. I brushed my eye. We're going to take more cappuccino. I'm going to go ahead and say that this eyeshadow palette may not be the answer to all of our prayers. Let's try a different brush. I used this to apply some Marc Jacobs shadow earlier, so we know she works. It's okay. Let's take whipped cream. Oh, this is actually pretty. For easy eyeshadow application, there's no problem. You can do a simple look with this, but I would much prefer you just save up, because this was $10. Just spend another $10 on a Juvia's Place palette, please. Just let's agree to that, okay, kids? Let's agree. Joah Beauty. Is this just a top coat? I'm so stupid. God damn it. I am the Hulk. Okay, so we should probably put some powder on my eyebrows to have something on my eyebrows. Should we use evil? No, we can't do that. That's not legal anymore. It's illegal to be mean to people and to fill in your brows with sparkly shadow. These are my rules of my government. Brow top coat. I thought this was a brow mascara. I mean, it is, but so it's a clear brow mascara. Oh, look at how sexy our brows look. All about that sexy brow look. These look, I mean, just pure sexy. Yeah, no, we love those. This one is the ice cream. Get it, like ice cream, but it's not. It's mascara. You can eat it, but wait, maybe this is my alternative to ice cream because I'm lactose intolerant. I can just eat ice cream. Don't do that. Okay, so we have a really quite bendy mascara wand. And this is supposed to, what is it? Volumize and curl. It's a very long mascara wand. So you have to have big eyes. Thankfully people have told me I have bug eyes. Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to stop cursing. That was my dad's New Year's resolution for me. To have a better daughter. Whoa. This is clumping. But it's making my lashes really black. It's that this doesn't have any like traction, or like it's not like there's any effort to pull through your brows. It's not like you're brushing them out. It feels like you're just, you know, coating them. Like you're really just like taking a paintbrush, not to a wall, but like to one of those, like, you know when you're going through a car wash and they have those like little rubber things? It's like you're hitting a paintbrush at one of those. Like your lashes aren't fighting back. They're just allowing you to cover them and poop. Kind of a vibe. Now, their cheek products were either didn't make sense for me. There was like a giant Nepal, like I just knew I wasn't going to use them even for the sake of reviewing them. Like I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use this eyeshadow palette. Like I'll probably give this to my roommate. But this was like a product I could not justify even buying to review because it just looked so obviously not helpful to me. So I'll just blush a little and then I'll be back. This is called the Joah I'm Your Jelly Bae. That's disgusting. I don't even want to put this on my mouth. And I want to put my mouth on everything. This is in the shade Beau, but not like B-O, like Beau, like your mom talking about your cotillion date in the 7th grade. Oh my god, it's got another fucking seal on it. I feel like I've made it clear I don't know how to rip off plastic. Okay. Still fighting it. Let's try it. This is weird. Ooh, okay. Let me let my hair down. Really like the color of this lipstick, actually. I think it's a really kind of different color. It's like a Taylor Swift Speak Now color. But not a red color. It's very specific, you know? You know. This, I think, is crazy amazing. It feels luxurious. This foundation feels set on my face. I used no powder today, and I've only been wearing it for about 30 minutes, but it looks beautiful, and it covers my acne, which not a lot of high coverage foundations can do. I mean high-end foundations. I like this better than my Laura Mercier foundation, which I've kind of been trying out all this month to find my, like, how I feel about it, and I honestly immediately love this. So I think for $8.99, you should run out and try to find your shade in this. I don't know if their shade range is amazing just because it is a Korean beauty brand. And Korean-inspired makeup is usually targeted toward a light-skinned audience because that is the idea of beauty. It's these big eyes and light skin in their kind of makeup campaign. This palette I don't think is necessary. Again, go to Juvia's Place. But I think it performs, like, I'm not angry with it. It does do what it says it will. It's kind of my same feeling with this mascara. Like, it looks really beautiful if you work with it. This brow stuff I think is 100% go. It does what it does what it's doing, and it's holding up my brows and they feel supported. Like they're wearing a bra brow. And this lip I actually really, really like. Let's do a little kissy test and see how much comes off. Okay, so it is not transfer proof, but it's not like my whole lips are left there either. Okay, well that was me trying Joah Cosmetics. I really liked it. If you guys liked it, please leave a like on this video. Also, please subscribe if you've been watching my videos or you stumbled across this video, because I'm really enjoying making these videos. Bye bye!